How to register on Bulleto. Open your preferred web browser and go to bulleto.io. Click on Connect Now button. Connect using MetaMask. Enter the referral ID and click on Smart Registration. MetaMask will ask for permission to spend the required amount of USDB to register on Bulleto. Click Next and then Approve to proceed. MetaMask will ask for permission to spend the required amount of S-Bond. Click Next and then Approve to proceed. This time MetaMask will show you estimated gas fee in BFIC. Review the transaction and click Confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully registered on Bulleto.